Hello everyone, this will be the first video of 2023 and I want to make it very special for you. In this video, I will try to cover most of the plans and documents that are used in PMP. So let's go with in this phase, like we will discuss pre-initiation, means starting before the project, initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and of course, closing. Pre-initiation things happens before the event projects get started. So let's see what do we have in pre-initiation. Pre-initiation is something on which the entire project is based. Now, we all know that organizations have strategy. That strategy drive portfolio, and portfolio decides on programs and projects, and then we get operations. This is known as organizational project management framework, OPM framework. So organizations have strategy which drives portfolio, on the basis of which programs and projects are selected, and once programs and projects are utilized, they are driven to operations. Now let's see what are the documents that are going to be involved. The first thing we need to do is need assessment. Now the first need assessment is done, why the project is even needed, why it is needed, how it adds to the organizational strategy. As we discussed before, organizational strategy is the most important thing which is driving every single thing. Why this project is needed, how it adds to the organizational strategy, and then of course we will look at the OPS and EEF, how it adds to that. We will also look at the feasibility study. Is it even feasible to do that or not? Now these feasibility studies can be operational feasibility study, is it workable, experimentations and multiple things. So this is not the job of project manager, and this will not be covered much in PMP. It will not be covered. For the PMP, you only need to know need assessment tells why project is needed and how it adds in the organizational strategy. This is more in detail in PMI PBA, because this is a job of a business analyst to identify the needs and see how these things can be done and what are the requirements for that. Once need assessment is done, the next thing comes as a business case. Next thing is business case. Now this is a very important thing. Again, this is made by business analyst, or we can also say that sponsor. Project manager can be the part of the team, but he does not have any power in it, and he is more a facilitator. He does not have the designation as of now. He will get the designation in the initiation phase. Business case is a comprehensive documentation, but for the PMP perspective, it's a benefit to cost analysis. What is the benefit of these particular things? Why we are doing it? More of a tangible benefit. And what the cost will be. If the benefits are more and the cost is less, then we will do it. We also have other parameters in addition to benefit to cost, where we can actually also call it as cost to benefit. Same thing in reverse. We have return of investment. This is used by many organizations. Like let's say two projects A and B, both we are doing, what will be the return on them? So the project which has higher return, we will do that straightforward as it is. Achha ji. Return of investment, we will look into that ROI. Then payback period. If I invest my money, where I will get my money back? What is the better payback? So we will use payback period for that, which thing will give my money earlier, that will be a better project. We can also see, if we go for this opportunity, what will be the cost of opportunity cost, another parameter to look into that when you are choosing a project. Then NPV, net present value. Now net present value, these are a complex domains, but from the PMP perspective, just understand this thing: cash inflow minus cash outflow. Another meaning, your income minus expense, that is NPV. It is it has a wide range of explanation, but for now I guess this will be enough for your PMP exam. Net present value. Net present value should be minimum 0. The more positive it is, the better it is. Whenever you are comparing two projects, let's say project A, project B, the one which is more positive, we will use that one. Then one more parameter, financial parameter, is IRR, internal rate of return. For PMP, just understand it is a percentage of cash inflow minus percentage of cash outflow. So this is your IRR, internal rate of return. Now let's say exam asks which is the most important one. Like if you have all of them, which one you will use? IRR is the most important one and the number one priority we will use. IRR is the most accurate, then net present value, then ROI we will use, and then so and so other terms will be utilized. Other terms will be utilized accordingly. These are some of the terms that we use here. These are the some terms that we use. So this is basically your business case. Of course, business case will have the risk in the projects. What are the risks? High level risk, I would say very high level. Quality, what are the quality requirement, the high level objectives. And business case sometimes even goes up to 20-30 pages, but that is not for the PMP, that is more of a program level. This is your business case. We show it to the sponsor, and basically business analyst and sponsor made it. They can show it to the governance board. If the business case is approved, then we can talk about it further. Another document that is created along the business case is benefit management plan. Now business case mostly have only tangible things: money, cost, benefit. What about the brand awareness? What about the market presence? You see, we all say, let's buy the shoes of this brand. This is Nike. Or we prefer to buy the items which have Apple logo on it. Why? Because of brand awareness. Or like if I talk about myself, I go to a restaurant and if they don't have Coca-Cola, I will not drink it. Like I'm a Coke fan, not a Pepsi fan. So it's more of a brand thing. So that is the purpose of a benefit management plan. Benefit management plan identify the benefits, who will be the benefits owner, the timeline for the benefits to be delivered, the risk, and those things. So both, first need assessment is approved, then business case, benefit management plan, both goes to the governance board, and sponsor of course is the head of that. If that is approved, then we go to initiation. Your pre-initiation activities are completed, then we go to initiation. I hope this make sense to you. I want these videos to be more of a PMP pocket video, so I am ending it, and in the next video I will explain the documents in initiation. Thank you very much, and if you like it, do let me know. Put something in the comment, like what things confuses you, any aha moment or anything that relates with you. Thank you very much.